Reverend Moses Atwaire ni kansara w'egombora ya Cyarushozi kandi yatuma insekibireho
mucyara na yidi basangira here akavera kanyago karumu ibandike ibintu bigamba Moses na uyigendereze ibirant so ndikebere ikinyenza kaya hata
Moses najirangwe baruhebi bya leta yo kwerarikira umukaye.
I've been active advocating for forest reserves in Kyenjojo, and we petitioned the local government to ensure that there is no charcoal burning, no timber cutting from the central forest reserves in Kyenjojo, which have been depleting because of encroachment. So I think out of this petition and like that advocacy, that's why they might be threatening.
Polisi yahiko mwanyogu kandi bagira ngo bariyo bacondoza ahanshongeje.
If you can get the handwritings of those people, whoever you may be suspecting, then this paper plus what he will have wrote somewhere, subject them to that, then they can tell the handwriting for any of the people that you may be suspecting.
Also suspecting anababo kwananga abojo ba social media
okushishebera district ya Kyenjojo kuriya higuru kandi ebirebikirize yo kushishwa harumu Matiri Mahanga hamwe na Kagorora gasha kwa Daniel Bingana.